Hi, have you ever wondered how birds are being reproduced? Let's find out how. Let's do some research. So I just did my research, and based on my research, male birds store sperm in their cloaca until an opportunity to mate arises. Female will receive that sperm into their bodies before it travels deeper into their like ova or something to fertilize their egg and begin formation. But let us be more specific. How about house sparrow birds? So their mating occurs the breeding cycle from March through early August near the nest site and may occur several times during the day. Once the bird's pair nesting begins, house sparrows are monogamous, meaning they are mating for life. Although lost mates are quickly replaced during the breeding season. I guess you're wondering how many eggs house sparrow female are laying. So based on my research, it lays 4 to 5 eggs, and they usually have a lifespan of 3 years. How often do they reproduce? So they reproduce from 2 to 4 broods every year. Their eggs typically hatch from 10 to 14 days. And they are part of the phylum of Chordata, or like the phyla of Chordata. Let us know more about house sparrow. So house sparrow is a bird of the sparrow family Passeridae, found in most parts of the world. It is a small bird that has a typically length of 16 centimeter and a mass of 24 to 39.5 grams. Females and young birds are colored pale brown and gray. How about males? They are brighter. They have this brighter black, white, and brown markings. But surprisingly, I found out that there is a wild house sparrow that lived to be 13 years and 4 months. So that's it. I hope you learned something. I'm Evan Macalalad, your researcher for the day.